The Anaheim 4D Mall concept mall of the future, concept shopping center of the future, would exist persistently in virtual space, a website that looks like it's in 3D and you can see in 3D if you have a 3D monitor. A virtual expo platform might be appropriate, or a bespoke solution. And so it has the layout of a shopping center on the website, and each of the different storefronts there exists only on the website persistently, but then appears temporarily in physical space as pop-ups. So any shopping center, such as Packing District, Anaheim Packing District, the rentable venue spaces there can then be pop-up storefronts, if that's available to do, that exist persistently online and temporarily in physical space. So you can find out from the website when each of the different locations is going to sort of transform into a physical location of itself, almost like it's coming down from a spaceship into physical space, but it always exists inside the UFO. And so I'm calling that just generically Anaheim 4D Mall, a concept for shopping center in the future that then can be activate all those rentable spaces so they're completely booked. And those locations have a much more input from the customer, designed from scratch to be a collaborative effort with the customer. And the other idea is if the shopping center of the future would have like a mayor and a city council of the shopping center. You have a shopping center mayor and a shopping center council. Those elected positions would be elected both from, they could be a store owner, they could also be a member of the general public, they could even be someone from out of town who visits the mall just online or in physical space whenever they are on vacation or business trip to Anaheim. And so they would have, if you own more than one shopping center, you might have in one of them a town hall meeting space where you would meet periodically to discuss improvements to the shopping center, both in physical space and online, and then what's the next storefront that should be open? What's the next kind of business should be open? You have continuous co-working space, like wherever there's a co-working space, it might be a place where we'd meet. And you have the small business startup accelerator for a shopping center of the future. And so whenever a shopping center owner is looking at their tenants and one of the leases comes up, if there's an underperforming lease, an underperforming tenant, they might say, well, we're not going to sign you up again for the lease. We have these 10 different businesses to choose from that are the shopping center co-working accelerator. Right, so that should be normal for any shopping center. That even if they don't have a co-working space there is a one or more co-working spaces somewhere that has a sign-up sheet to join a team, start a team, create an idea, create a consensus for an idea, do crowd funds, so on and so forth, and then get into physical space permanently when a lease is available, or persistently online and then in a pop-up way into the rentable venues at those shopping centers around town, such as Anaheim Packing District is what I'm thinking in my mind when I'm designing this.